here I have 3mm apatite with large hole, and I love beading hoops. So what I've done is I've threaded through, and these are 22 gauge beading hoops, thickness, and it goes through the hole very easily. Then what I do is I do this, line up the two, and I'm going to make a pair of earrings, and I think I'm going to make the hook here. I line the two up so that I know I have an exact pair. Then I bend this, straighten out, and I can straighten this out too if I wanted to. And just to make it finished looking, I bend it a little bit to the front, and here I have really cool looking earrings. I can solidify this, make it hard by hammering, or I could just leave it. And if I want to hang something off of it, I could bend this out and hang something off of this loop, or I could just cut it and crimp it down so that it doesn't go through the beads don't come out. And there you have it.